Well, my mind went a little crazy the last couple days. Made quite a few metal art birds. That's old springhead there. Oh, there we go. Another one. Scared me. Old Snazzle nose here. That's $100 bird all day long. Yes, indeedy. Pitchfork tail there. Alrighty then. Oh, here's another one. Scared me. Yeah. There you go, folks. I'll give you a choice. $100 choice. Except this one here with the planter. Ain't selling that one. But you can hang a planter underneath any of these. Oh, hole there. This one here would be a good one for hanging a planter under. $100. There you go, boys. This one here you put out on Halloween or whatever. This looks cool. It scares the birds away, the rabbits away. Keep the stuff out of your gardens. Alrighty then. Bye bye.